Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to control who can see your phone number on Telegram using your Android device. This is especially helpful if you want to improve your privacy or limit who can contact you using your phone number. Let's begin. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Tap the three-line menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. Under the Privacy section, tap Phone Number. This option lets you control who can see your phone number. Choose one of the three visibility options: Everybody, My Contacts, Nobody. After making your selection, simply go back or exit. Your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Adjusting your phone number privacy in Telegram is quick and easy. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech guides. See you next time.